Hey chef, what are the 5 classic mother sauces? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 5 classic mother sauces in classic French cuisine, the purpose of it, the basis, and also what is used in those sauces coming up on this episode of Hey, what's going on everybody? Jimmy here with The Other Chef. On this channel, we talk about the food service industry. We also do some food and product demos, as well as check out some of the eats and drinks in the local areas. So if you're interested in some of those topics, consider subscribing. Very great news now, everybody. I have now been given access to the kitchen area in the residence that I'm staying with some family. So I will be able to do some cooking demos as well as a lot of the classic techniques that I'm going to talk about, which are the 5 classic mother sauces. So I'm going to turn the camera later on so that you guys can see the 5 mother sauces, the base and the thickener that is usually needed to create these sauces. But a little history about these mother sauces. So these 5 mother sauces were actually started by someone by the name of Antoine Cren, and he wanted to just simplify making base level sauces so that you can use it for other sauces or derivatives based on that sauce. Eventually, another culinarian by the name of Auguste Escoffier, who is really known as the grandfather of classic French cuisine or haute cuisine, Haute. And in my opinion, he revolutionized not only the classic French cooking system, but he also created what is called the Culinary Brigade system. And that's going to be another video that we're going to talk about on the positions everywhere from the executive chef all the way down to the commis and the potier, which is usually a pot washer. So that's going to be another great video to talk about the legacy of Mr. Escoffier. But we're going to turn the camera over so that you guys can see the basis of the 5 classic mother sauces and the purposes of them. Okay, so the 5 mother sauces are as follows: bechamel, velouté, espagnole, hollandaise, and tomate. Now, each one of them has a specific purpose and has a starting base. For example, bechamel has milk. Velouté and espagnole is basically the same stock, except white stock is from unroasted bones and material or as such, and brown stock is a roasted version of it. Another clear thing with velouté and espagnole is that velouté can either come from veal bones, chicken, pork, or even seafood, versus espagnole, which is usually just veal and chicken. Hollandaise is a unique sauce because of the fact that butter is the base and you're adding egg yolks as your emulsifier or your thickener. And sauce tomate, I know it might sound a little confusing, but it's not a tomato sauce. Traditionally, the sauce tomate has tomato and some type of ham. In classic French cuisine, we would use something like salt pork, for example, but ham is a very good substitute. Now, the thickener, you notice 4 of those 5 sauces has some type of thickener called a roux, R-O-U-X. And it's basically a equal amounts of fat and flour to create some type of paste to thicken your base. Now, you notice that the tomate, there's an asterisk there. Now, modernized French cuisine, we would not use a roux. We would just use tomato paste to give it that body and that great mouthfeel. Egg yolks, however, for the hollandaise sauce is a very tricky thing. One of the best ways to think of using egg yolks is as a thickener is as if you're making a mayonnaise, except with cold oil, you're using room temperature or warm butter. So there you have it. So throughout a couple of weeks, we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to make these sauces, and then we're going to have a follow-up video on some of the sauces or the derivatives of the sauces that you can create with these items. So be sure to tune in for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try to put 2 videos out a week versus my normal Tuesday videos. We're probably going to do a Tuesday and a Thursday to kind of even it out so that you guys can get more content when it comes to classic cuisine and also a lot of techniques. Trust me guys, there's going to be a lot of great content in the near future, so I hope you guys subscribe and enjoy this ride. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell for notifications on future content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.